summer camp for my niece. It's like a 4-day day camp thing, and they're about to climb this rock wall, and they do a lot of stuff like that. So like during the camp they'll learn about, it's Christian based, so they'll learn about God's character and nature through all the things that they're doing. They're like learning songs, learning stories, doing like outside activities. So yeah, I thought I'd bring you guys along, so let's go. So we're at a summer camp for my niece. It's like a 4-day day camp thing, and they're about to climb this rock wall. Tracy, what are you about to do?
Rock climb.
Huh?
Rock climb.
Rock climb. Are you excited? Yeah.